There are two ways to braid butterfly braid, and in this tutorial I'm going to tell you the advantage or disadvantage of the two methods, and you will learn how you can do yours perfectly. This method one, first of all, your hair has to be braided. Either you're going to be braiding your natural hair or with extension, but that braid doesn't have to be so tight. After which, you use your crochet pin to put in the hair like the other hair. Then braid the second one loosely, after which you just start pulling out the hair by the side. Pull it out carefully to form that butterfly feel. That is for one. Now this second one, you just have to start braiding with your hair or extension from the beginning, from the scratch. You're not braiding the first one, no, you're just braiding with the hair directly, and after braiding to a certain point you stop and start pulling it out. Now this second one, for some people it is a protective hairstyle, but if you're looking for a butterfly braid you'll be wearing for a very long time without it looking rough, the first option will be better for you, because that option, that hair has been tucked in through that first braid. But the second one, no, there's no first one, nothing is holding it, so your hair is free. But this one is a protective hairstyle for people that don't want to wear their hair for so long and still want to achieve that. Then for the third one, we have the single braid, just like your box braid but made into a butterfly braid. So that particular one is just like the regular box braid. When you braid to a certain point, please don't braid to down, start pulling it out, pull out a little, and that is it. So guys, I want to hear in the comment section, if you're going for this hairstyle, which one will you be going for? Let's talk in the comment section. And if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next video.